Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yezbak Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my Zara earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, wire cutters. This beautiful bead right here is an ethically sourced bone, and it's carved, and the shape is a trapezoid. We're also using these 3 by 4 millimeter aqua luster glass rondelles. These little beauties right here are 8 millimeter druzy agate beads. These little spacers come with the trapezoids and a apatite nugget, a head pin, and an ear wire. You will also need 24 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Zara earrings. We're going to start off by creating this little dangle right here. We're going to grab our apatite nugget and a head pin, and we're going to string our nugget, and we're going to form a simple loop. We're just going to bend that wire down. We're going to grab our wire cutters, and we're going to trim that little end. And then using our round nose pliers, we're going to place it right there. And we are just going to roll the wire towards us, creating a loop. We are now going to cut 7 inches of 24 gauge wire. I'm just going to kind of form a little U so that the beads don't slide off. So we're going to string our blue aqua luster rondelle, our agate, a bone rondelle, our aqua glass, and then we're going to string our dangle and aqua glass, another bone rondelle, our agate, and then our last aqua rondelle. And we're just going to kind of squeeze that together. We're going to manipulate the wire just a little bit. Now we're going to grab our trapezoid beads, and it has 3 holes at the bottom. So we're going to be using 2 of these holes. And we're just going to slide it down. And then I kind of like to push it in a little bit. I'm going to bring those wires together. And we are going to string our aqua glass bead. We're going to string that right down to the end. And we're going to make sure that's nice and tight. And then we're going to hold it down. And we want to form our loop this way so that the loop is facing towards the front when we attach our ear wire. And we're going to form a wrapped loop with 2 wires. So we're going to bend that wire down, and we're going to move our pliers up. We're going to bend that wire towards us, move the pliers to the side, and bend the wire back, And then we're going to come through. We're going to straighten it a little bit. We're going to switch hands. And we're going to grab our pliers. And we are going to wrap one, making sure those wires are together. 2, 3. And we're going to remove it. We're going to trim those little ends. And we want to tap this down to make sure there's no sharp edges. We can gently straighten our loop. Tap those wires down. Now we're going to grab our ear wire, and this is how you open an ear wire. You move it to the side. You never want to pull it apart. So we're just going to open that, grab our earring, attach it, and close the ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my Zara earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Click the little bell button so that you will receive notifications on when we post new videos. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features a fabulous new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.